Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create color halftone effect. A technique that simulates, or retro-styles, images by replacing tonal gradients with varying sizes of dots: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Step 1. Go to File menu drop-down. Place a transparent .png image on the artboard. Step 2. Select Object. Go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Select Radius equals 6 pixels. Step 3. Select Object. Go to Object menu drop-down. Rasterize. Step 5. Select Object. Go to Effects menu drop-down and pixelate a color halftone. Change Properties. Max Radius equals 45. Screen Angle Channels equals 85. Step 6. Select Object. Go to Object menu drop-down and Image Trace Make and Expand. Image Trace Expand is the final step in converting a pixel-based raster image, JPEG, PNG, into editable vector shapes, paths, and anchor points. Step 7. Select Object. Right-click on Image Ungroup. Remove Image Trace Background. And here is the color halftone effect is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.